driver. That's about me because I'm a truck driver. I want to go home. This is far away. My truck cannot be fit by the bridge. A truck driver. I got some. I thought I'm a pit here. I can be fit. Okay, let's back up for a minute. We're collecting robots today. Friends! Oh, what? I buy all the trucks mod. Truck mod. What's this? Oh, a trailer made up truck. Sorry guys, it's just an interruption. Oh my god. Oh my god, I killed the driver! Sorry guys, let's try this again. Yes, this is what I like. Friends! Roll here. Don't worry, brother. I have my own truck now. It's ready. But maybe with me neighbor. I don't need you anymore. What the? Why you don't need me? I thought you called me and you betrayed me for some reason. That's why. Oh, it turned stable collision. Trash. Oh my god, guys, this is my mistake. Okay, it's a race. Friends! Funny. Okay, brother. Don't be scared. We are here. I'm here to you. Take you, buddy. Footy. What you know? Open your gate. I'll get inside. What the Sigma? You're getting inside. Sorry guys, that's an interruption. Let's search for my robot. So I search. Sorry guys, this is an interruption. For searching a dumb robot. Oh, rose up. Okay, I don't know that. Ah! Oh, we don't have any. How about we put a truck tank? Oh, you're so dumb, buddy. Why don't have any truck tanks at all?
Ruby, ano ka na?
Hindi pa.
Okay. That robot is not slow. It's pacing in my way. That means that robot's not kind of worried for some reason. They just ding, ding, ding. I cannot be fit. Transform. That can transform. Yes, buddy. Just believe me. You can transform to buddy. You can really transform to a tank. Ooh, cool. This tank is not I like. This is not ever liked before. Erase it. Sorry, buddy. To cry, buddy. What robot we are gonna use next? Grenade. Cannot use any robot for some reason. Truck driver. You. Put me inside the truck. How is he gonna fit by the truck? I mean, that's big. It's massive, strong. I thought it's a robot. Aha.
Sige tayo.
Okay, good night, guys. We're building a video for some reason. So let's bring this. No, it's not fit. Dude, your problem is here. Ding 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 ding. Good night, guys. Next time, part 2 for a movie. Then truck drivers use the brakes. Oh, it break. So I don't like this. Oh. Okay. Whoa. Whoa. I'm only the last truck driver here. So let's hang at this. That robot cannot be fit here, but we can fit the regular robot. Vincent, present my own powers is like that. Just get inside, buddy. That's just my cage. It's my beauty. Interesting. Let's get inside. Oh, you cannot go inside. Oh, so the end. The Sigma. This episode is not good. Next episode, dinosaur robot. I can be an unknown truck driver. Need to be a dinosaur to walk. It's not a walk. Oh, somebody messaged me again. Just kidding, guys. This is the ending for the truck driver.